Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I will take you on a trip to the southern part of Slovak Paradise National Park. After a bit of struggle with the train doors, me and my friend Peter got off the train at Dedinky.
So Peter, where we are today?
Welcome. Now we're gonna visit Dedinky, in translation Little Villages. Very original name. I came it myself. This is actually my village. I'm the mayor. Let's go.
Dedinky, a small village of about 300 people, is situated around Stratená reservoir. From Dedinky we follow red trail to the bottom of Zejmarska Gorge. From there we climb along the blue trail.
What are your feelings, Peter?
I mean, easy climb. I think this is probably the easiest climb I have ever done.
So Peter, we have just conquered the waterfalls. How do you feel about that? Tell us something.
Easiest climb ever. See, it's not even that deep. Like everybody could go here. This is called the Zejmarska Gorge, and here you can see the Nálepkové waterfalls. The main one is called Captain Nálepka.
After conquering the gorge we found ourselves at Geravy. Here we are taking a lunch break and trying to form a friendship with the animals. From Geravy we follow the yellow trail to the Havrania Skala.
Hello, right here you can see the old skin from an anaconda. It lives here pretty normally, it's common here. You can find like 2 anacondas per square meter.
So Peter is shooting scenery, I'm shooting Peter shooting scenery.
And I'm gonna shoot your ass, man.
There are a couple of caves you go by in the final ascent. There you can cool off a bit. When we get to the top, there are incredible views offered to us and we can even see high Tatras.
So Peter, tell me, how do you like our trip so far?
So far we've been on the trip for 6 hours. We did 12.5 kilometers and I love it. The nature is beautiful, the hike is easy as fuck, and yeah.
And as our adventure comes to an end, we descend to a small village Stratená, from where we take a train home. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. In case of any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next adventure. Until then, keep exploring.
Airport information, Mike. Wind 320 degrees at 6, temperature 53, altitude 3000. ILS approach runway 26 left, runway 26 left to the traffic pattern in use. Landing runways, runway 26 left for large aircraft, and runway 26 right for light aircraft. Tower frequency 118.3, departure runway 35.
If you come to this beautiful place, you will also find this beautiful forest, which oddly seems like Logan Paul should be here. Your thoughts? Peter?